Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy Christmas decor piece using items from the Dollar Tree. Friends, what do I have here? I have one of these, oh Lord, one of these plastic chargers from Dollar Tree. I only saw one of these in my store that has the embossed snowflakes around it. If you can see, oh my God, Amber, if you can find one of these, then go ahead and grab it. I just thought it was really cool to already have a design around it. Gives a little extra something, something. We have some of this fake snow. We have some reindeer ornaments, and then we have some of these tree ornaments. Everything here is from Dollar Tree. So I think first off, what we're going to do is let's start with one of these trees. Well, we're going to be using more than one. You know what I mean. We're going to start off with the trees. Y'all can probably hear my dog in the background running around. He's spastic at the moment. And then we're going to pick which area that we want to be like up in this area here. I think that will be okay because it has like a lot of snowflakes together right here. I think we'll show that. All right. Whoa. So let's see how we can glue these. I'm just going to try to lay it down on here, and you can see like the contact points there. And let's see what it will look like if we turned it this way. We might have to do it that way. Just turn them backwards, because then see how it sort of like curves a little bit. Then we can put the glue down here and have more contact with the plate and not worry about it falling off as much. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put some glue, which I hope that this is hot enough. I think it is. I'm going to try to not burn myself. And then I'm just going to glue this down like so. And I'm going to try to put some over here too. Look at all these little doohickeys. I'm going to have to cut this off. Hold on. All right, we did that. Like I said, I like the way this side looks a little bit better, but the way it's curved, you're just not going to have a lot of contact with your item if you glue that side down. So we're going to have to do it like this, okay? Glue that down. And then I'm going to add a few more here, there, and everywhere. Okay, so we've got the trees on there. And now let's put on our... Stop falling down. He wants to fall down. Whatever. It doesn't matter to me anymore. All right, so let's put this one right here. Put a good amount of glue on this little guy. Now, listen, friends. This is very shiny. This is very slick. And if you're having problems with your hot glued items staying on here, you can always back this up with a little bit of E6000. I'm just using hot glue because I know in my home where I'm going to put this. And I'm reasonably certain that nothing is going to be bumping around and messing with it. But if you're having a hard time with the hot glue, put the hot glue on, then use just a little bit of the E6000 to really stick it down. Let that set up for 24 hours, okay? Alrighty. Whoa. Don't do that. All right. So now this is what we have so far. And yes, I'm going to work on it some more. Just give me a minute. But now what we're going to use is some Mod Podge and some of this fake snow. All right. Now for the Mod Podge, let's get this. This is why I wanted as many of the snowflakes up here as possible, because I'm getting ready to cover up the ones down here. Now I'm just going to paint this on wherever I want the snow. Easy, right? Yep. Easy. Just paint this on, and then we're going to sprinkle on the snow. Yes, it can be a little bit difficult. There's that damn gnat again. Yes, it can be difficult to get the brush down in exactly where you want it. But that's why I'm using like this big flat brush. I can just lay it down, just slide it. Ooh. The lights are flickering. Just slide it up underneath the tree like that. And just wherever else you want it. All right, let's get this out of the way. I'm probably going to make a mess. Y'all know me. I make messes. Oh, crap. Yep, there it goes. I'm just going to sprinkle on the snow. And I'm going to do this for the rest of this too. I'm just trying to speed up through the video, okay? My throat's still kind of messed up. Y'all know I've been having problems with my throat for like a month now. Just sprinkle that on. All right, now let that Mod Podge set up for a little bit, and then just take this and pour it off and then reuse it. All right, friends, so this is done. And I know my lighting is still kind of jacked up. I don't have everything back the way it was. But anyway, I have these stickers now, these glitter stickers from Dollar Tree. And I just want to see what it would look like. Because, see, there's a lot of open space up here. And y'all know I don't like open spaces. But I want to try to take some of the snowflake stickers. And if I can get the thing open, oh my goodness. There. Just throw it in the floor. I got to clean in here anyway. Well, take the stickers maybe and put them in the center of these snowflakes and maybe a few throughout here. Don't know, friends. We're going to take a look and see what it looks like, because these are like the foam stickers. And you know how the foam stickers are, right? They're go gadget nails. Ah! Just sticking to me. All right. So I'm going to put these kind of like in the center of the snowflakes and then scatter some around down here maybe, and we'll see what that looks like. Okie dokie. So this is what we have so far. I think I like the stickers. I'm going to leave the stickers on there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the ribbon that we just lost, that we literally just bought at the store earlier this evening. But anyway, I'm going to get that ribbon and we'll try to make a bow of some sort just to see if I like the bow, okay? If I don't like the bow, then I'll edit this part of the video out. If I like the bow, of course, it's going to be my easy no-tie bow that y'all have seen me make a ton of different times. You can look down in the description box and in the pinned comments, and I'll have a link for you to that video. But I won't be making it here so as not to waste your time. Anyway, let's see what it looks like. All right, friends, so here it is with the bow on it. Oh, this lighting is getting on my nerves. But anyway, like I said, if you don't want the bow, then leave the bow off. Now I have this little clip here that I got from Walmart earlier. You know what? Megan just cut this off with some scissors. Now watch it all fall apart. But anyway, I'm going to glue this to the center right here, and then I'm going to call that done. So I'm going to put the glue on here, and I'm really going to have to hold this down to hold it in place because this is very heavy. So let's just put a whole bunch of glue on here. Ah! And then we're going to, oh, there's some glue right there. Let's see, what can we do? Right there looks okay. I'm just going to hold that in place until it sets up. Okay, friends, I do believe I'm done with this now. So yes, I have the bow on here, and then I glued that down. I think I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I wasn't going to put this on there originally, or I would have just left the snowflake stickers off of that area up there. But you know what? It turned out pretty good. Now, I'm not going to hang this up. What I'm going to do is, you know, like those plate stands that you can get at Dollar Tree, I'm just going to set this on one of those, okay? So that's what I'm going to do with it. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all later. Bye!